Fiber optic blue here. We're about to be changing the door handle on a 2004 Pontiac Vibe. Out of all the videos I watched, mine seems to be the easiest, so let's jump right into it. So here we are, we've got the door handle missing, as you can see. There's the lock, my T25. In most of the videos I see, they tell you to take the door panel off, which you may have to do, and if so, there's a screw in here and a screw right there. Need to take that little panel piece off. We're gonna come right here because most of my everything's already out. Everything's already ready. I just need to take this piece out to put the door handle in, which we gain access through there. Now, I've seen this in other people's videos, but they all took the door handle off first. This is easily popped out and pop right back in. And inside is that T-bit. It's like a star. It's not supposed to come out at all. You see that he's unscrewed and pretty loose in there. We'll come back around here. And we're just gonna pull this out. Just popped him right on out. It's the locking mechanism. We'll go right back in, boom, and we screw it back up. There's the screw, still in place, still ready. But now this gives us the freedom to put our door handle in. This is where we need to get into in order to slide him down. Without that lock coming out, we wouldn't have been able to fit in there. Snapped him over. Looks good. Let's close him up and give him a test. Do the same thing we did, just putting it back in. Now, you can buy the cover for this. The ones I bought had a cover, but didn't have the keyhole. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna leave the keyhole as it is. The door, for now, seems to be fine. We're gonna test that in a bit. Press that tight. And go right back to screwing it back in. Once it's tight, won't go any further. There you have it. Now, before we test that, we're gonna go ahead and roll our window down. Go ahead and roll that window down so we can test it. All right. And there you have it. Quick, simple fix. We can even hop on over to the next side. We'll do the next side. Don't forget to put your little rubber piece back in. It's just a simple piece. Pops right back in here to hide your screw. Looks good. Now, of course, like I said, the cover I bought didn't come with the screw, the hole for the key, so we're just gonna leave that open. Looks like we're good to do the same thing over here. There's our little rubber grommet. We're just popping this out. Simple. Pop it out. Drop it on the ground for a second. There goes our screw. If you can see, it's a little sunny. We're just gonna get in there and get that out, just like the other side. Just a second. Just a second. Once it's loose, nice and loose. Nice and loose. Then we just come over here, pop that out. And there it is. There you have it. It's a little bright on this side, but there you have it. We pop that piece out. Pull it over so it snaps. Put it back in. Back in. Alright, nice and tight. Roll the window down. Make sure. Alright, here we go. Well, there you have it. My mechanic wanted to charge me $70 to do each of these, saying he had to take the door off. Well, as you can see, I didn't have to open my door panel. I just needed to remove the key. Now, for that, this is the back door. Might be a little different. You might have to go ahead and actually remove that, or there may be a different screw. Now, let's see. We'll open this back door to find out. Yeah, see, no grommet here to take out the key part. So you may have to go in here for the back doors in order to get this off to put the piece in there. For now, I'm just doing the front. So like I said, it was a lot easier than I thought. We got it done pretty simple. You got to see us do both sides, and it was a wham bam job. Like I said, my mechanic wanted to charge me $70 per door, but it turns out it's that simple. At least for the 04 Pontiac vibe with no GT or anything like that. You just go in, pop the locking mechanism out, at least for the front doors. The back doors could be a little more difficult, but on the front, just pop that locking mechanism out, pop your new handles in, put the locking mechanism right back in. All right, you guys, check my other vids out. We'll be dropping some more drops soon.
Just a second. Just a second.